Okay, there's the end of our cable. Cable's coming off the back of the garage. This is a 220, so we'll have to deal with that later. But this is as far as it'll reach. So this is going to be, this pole is going to be the back side, the back corner of our coop. Coop's going to be this way, maybe 3 pallets wide. That way, 3, maybe 4 pallets wide. The run will be on the far end, keeping it as far away from the house as we can get it. And
time to do some cleanup.
We started a lot of cleanup. We got the Premier One off into the garage. That stuff's a real pain when the grass grows up on the bottom of it. It's a pain to move. So Premier One's another video altogether. That's something else. But we're going to start the cleanup and start the build on get the site prepped for the build on the chicken coop.